Hi, my dear ones. This is Vasilmaisra. I hope you are doing well. So you might don't like this video today because I'm showing you a deck like the previous video, a deck that is out of stock for now, and it is the I Don't Care Oracle deck. I must tell you that these decks that I'm showing are the fruit of a collaboration with a Chinese partner who is having the exclusivity to sell them in China. Now, for sure, I won't exclude printing these decks again in Europe or in the US in the future, but we are looking at the different possibilities for now. But still, I wanted to share them with you because they are beautiful, these new versions, and I thought it would be nice to, just show you how we are working at the moment. So this deck, the I Don't Care Oracle, created with my friend Steph, is one of my favorite ones because it speaks about the things that we don't voice all the time. It gives very practical advice. It screams at you sometimes, and it fits with so many other tarot decks or oracle decks. It's very good combo deck, I would say. It pairs so well. So the new version we received, we made it kind of very easy to handle and, pack because the oldest version that some of you know is the deluxe, which is the luxurious box. The deck is pretty thick and it was made in Europe. So this one is kind of like more practical, coming with this small pamphlet showing you some examples on how to use the deck, and also like having that word giving you the spirit of of the cards and why we created them. The deck comes with the pink edges, and it has 83 cards. Let me check. Just 82 cards. 82 cards. The previous one had 83 cards. So, what can I say about this deck? It's just, you know what? It screams out, and it makes us feel so much better about some of the things that we don't talk about. It gives us the authorization. It says it's okay to not feel okay. It's okay to feel good when the whole world is crumbling too. Just be yourself. Voice out what you have silenced. It puts the priorities up front. If we, for example, in our work, we sometimes forget. I sometimes tend to forget myself because I have so much work, and I am on that aspect of giving, offering, but I forget sometimes to receive. So it brings to me, it's, yeah, I feel sometimes on social media, everyone is complaining. I do too sometimes, but it's just that it brings that those emotions of the world is gone, but at the same time, we can just switch off. I mean, if you switch off the electricity or the Wi-Fi or the phone, maybe we won't know what is happening around, but we will focus on what is really important sometimes. So yeah, it brings that energy and message. And yeah, beautiful. And the last cards have been made with two artists, and we really wanted to, bring kind of conformity in the deck, and I hope we succeeded in making that possible. And it has that loving energy, also healing. And the voice of the teenager within us, the teenager that has forgot, how to be a kid, or is, refusing the adult way of being. So revolutionary, I would say this deck is. It's not the end, only the beginning. So I'm gonna mix the deck because I really feel that this one will be my go-to, to use. I'm really loving the quality of the cards. Again, it's the same quality as the Become an Oracle. It has this velvet touch and very solid, beautiful. So the Become an Oracle doesn't come with a colored edge. This one is in pink. So let's see what message or what messages. Let's pick 2 cards and mix it quite quickly. So what message do we have today? Doing nothing is fine too. So yeah, today is Sunday. I'm filming this video, and of course I will stop for after some time and just like go out. But I was that that spirit of, oh, I should really do the videos today, but doing nothing is okay. It's not a big deal. So I might just do another video. I will stop and just enjoy the rest of my Sunday. What about you? What are the things that you feel you have absolutely to finish today, but in reality, it would be fine if you leave them for tomorrow? Uh, you know, what we consider priority, is it really a priority, right? So enjoy your day, and I hope to see you soon for another video. Bye bye.